What's up, everybody? This is Barry over at Titans of CNC. Today we're setting up for our final operation on our cast iron housing. So we started off in this part being super aggressive, doing some testing with the KOR 6 end mill. The tool was glowing red, it was a super awesome video, but then we backed down to where we wanted to be, where our process was stable and we had good tool life. So we started off with our 412 KT face mill from Kennametal. It's a tangential cutter that's great for taking deep depths of cut, high step overs, and getting good material removal rates. Next, we're going to go in with our KCFM face mill from Kennametal, which is great for achieving great surface finishes on finished faces. Now, when it comes to removing the bulk of the excess stock that we have on the second side of this part, we decided to go with the KOR 6 end mill. And the reason we went with an end mill and not a face mill or a tangential cutter is because a lot of times when you're removing a big bulky hat of material off the second side of a part, you end up getting thinner and thinner until you end up with a super flimsy piece of material that can actually bounce up into your cutter, damaging inserts. And finally, we have our HPR drill and our Beyond tap. Both of these tools are great for cast iron, and you'll see in this video that they really just blow through material. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. See you guys again soon.